In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Shopify Impulse theme. By the end, you'll know exactly how to navigate from your Shopify dashboard into the Impulse theme editor and make polished, on-brand changes with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to shopify.com. Sign into your store's admin so you can access your themes. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Online Store. This takes you to the area where all theme settings live and where you'll manage your storefront's look and feel. From here, you'll be on the themes page. Find the Impulse theme in your list. You might see it as your current live theme, or it could be in your theme library if you're working on a draft. Select the Impulse theme you want to work on so your changes apply to the correct version. If you're experimenting with new designs, choosing a draft is a safe way to make updates without affecting customers in real time. Next, click the option to edit the theme. Depending on your interface, this button may be labeled Customize, and it will open the theme editor. This is where the visual magic happens. On the left, you'll see a panel with sections like header, footer, and homepage content. The center or right side shows a live preview of your store so you can see changes as you make them. At the top, you can usually switch between pages and device views to check desktop and mobile responsiveness. Now, customize. Start with brand essentials. In the theme settings, set your colors and typography to match your brand guidelines. Choose readable fonts, ensure contrast for accessibility, and keep a consistent color palette across banners, buttons, and backgrounds. Move on to imagery and layout. In the Sections panel, update your hero banners, collection grids, and product carousels with high-quality images. Use concise, compelling headings and add clear calls to action. Rearrange sections by dragging them up or down to control the order of content and highlight what matters most. Dive into navigation and the header. If your store uses larger catalogs, take advantage of Impulse's robust menu styles to create clean, intuitive paths for shoppers. In product and collection templates, confirm your filters, badges, and hover states support quick browsing. Keep descriptions scannable and ensure your add to cart buttons are prominent. As you go, preview on mobile to verify spacing, image cropping, and button sizes look great on small screens. Save regularly, and when you're happy, review the storefront in a separate tab to ensure everything loads smoothly. That's it. You've gone from accessing Shopify to selecting Impulse, opening the editor, and customizing your theme with best practices that elevate your brand.